Hello friends, hello coaches, how are you doing today? I hope you are all doing fantastically well. This is your executive life coach Rick Serrano saying hello from Lake Garda, specifically Castelletto di Brenzone, our little town here in northern Italy, Lake Garda. I want to show you, we are in the middle of the old town of Castelletto. This is a tiny little town. This is where we come every year. As you can see, it's a very simple, nothing sophisticated, nothing luxurious, very normal, but as you can see, full of color. It is totally full of color. And I want you to put special attention to the boats. These are very simple, very ordinary little boats of the fishers of the town, of the people who live here. And what I want you to notice is the tremendous amount of color that they put in their boats and also in their homes, in their houses. And the point here is very simple. Life could be sophisticated or not, life could be very special or not, but you are the one who can put color into your life. You are the one who can put color and originality and choose a nice name and name your boat, name your life, and put color into that life and make it extraordinary. Every year in the month of August, here the fishermen here in the town of Castelletto would grab those boats and go into the lake and show us the lake maybe here over here. So they would go on the lake here and try to get some fish. And there's this contest where people can try to fish the biggest fish possible. But of course, there's nothing really very special about the fish. It's like, tiny fish, like 25, 30 centimeters maybe at the most. But it is about the emotion. It is about putting the color into the boat, putting the color into life, putting the color into the competition. Yeah, let's go get that fish. And there's a big party around that. Of course, this year's a bit different, but still, the message for you today is your life, however it is, you can put a lot of color into it. You can put emotion. You can select a nice name for your boat. That means you can select nice things for your life. No matter how gray it is, you can always pour color into this. Today we went out on a boat and made a round around, and when we were coming back, we noticed there is no gray house around here. All of the houses have a lot of color, as you can see. All of the boats have a lot of color, and the importance of that is that you have the power to illuminate, you have the power to color your life and make it very special. And that is the invitation that I want to make for you today on a very ordinary Monday of the month of August. You are all invited to put a lot of color into your life and really illuminate it and make it happy. These are very difficult times. The pandemic is killing a lot of people. Last night we arrived to 20 million contagious people worldwide. This is not a very nice moment in life. I realize that. And yet I invite you to pour a lot of color as much as you can and illuminate your life. Make it special, make it great, make it extraordinary. That is the invitation that I have for you on this Monday, 10th of August. Thank you very much for watching. This is Rick Serrano, your executive life coach, saying hello from Lake Garda. Take care. I'll see you here for the next one. Bye-bye.